Hey, what's going on YouTube, my family and my friends? Excellent Dreams here, back with another exclusive video for you today. And I just want to give people a little more information on me if they don't know so already. So my name is Raymond Jones, also known as Excellent Dreams, also known as the Rhinestone King. And I create rhinestone apparel as well as designs, templates, and other graphics online for others to help them to create something fabulous, or just as a custom piece that they may want for themselves, or I go fully in depth and teach you how to use the Corel Draw and TRW Rhinestone software to create stuff for yourself, start a business, or just to explore. Okay, I had an Etsy shop, that was recently taken down. Y'all know how finicky Etsy can be. I'm not quite sure why they took my shop down. They didn't even give me an explanation. They just said I violated the rules or whatever, but didn't even tell me what rule that I violated. So that being said, that's okay. That just gives me more time and energy to focus here on my YouTube channel and all of the subscribers that I have here, as well as the people that have joined for one of my membership tiers. And there's a lot of people that have joined the membership tiers, and I need y'all. I need y'all help and assistance so that I can get y'all the files, so that I can get y'all the free designs and the free files that y'all get each month. So later on today, I will write down a list of all the people that have joined as a membership. I like to say thank you once again for joining as a member. You have chosen the right thing to do as far as your design experience goes. So later on today, I will be shouting out all of those people that have joined as a member, trying to reach out to everyone and have them reach out to me so that they can get their free files. Alright? Also, if you don't know, I bought a 3D printer the other day. I've had a few things going on with my eye, as you can see, the past couple of days. So I've been down and out, had to make a trip to the emergency room or whatever because I didn't know what was going on. So I can't even remember if I posted my unboxing video of my Flash Forge. I have to go back and check. I just wanted to jump on here, touch bases with everyone, let you know that I'm back, I'm reinvigorated, and today will be a fun-filled day. So stay tuned to the channel today because we're definitely going to have some fun. I have all my cameras set up, I have all of my equipment ready to go, and I'm out.